Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. Now, if you're new here, I post a new video every Sunday and it's typically about fashion, beauty, hair, all the good stuff. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe at the end. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my favorites for the month of July, and I'm pretty excited. This is my first time doing a favorites video. Don't know why it took me so long to do this, but anyway, nonetheless, we're here. So I'm going to share with you a couple of items that I've been loving. So I have fashion items, I have makeup, fragrance, skincare. I have everything, a little bit of everything. So let's get into it. The first one I have is a fragrance, and this one is from the 7 Virtues. The scent is Sento Vanille. Look at this. The packaging is beautiful. It's pretty compact. Again, it's a rollerball, but still, I love it. It smells delicious. So this is what you get for the rollerball. And as you can tell, it's pretty empty. I did get this one during the last Sephora sale. I was using it here and there, but I guess because lately I've been going out more often since I've been living in Montreal, this thing is already done, and I regret not buying the full size. I don't know why I didn't buy it last time, but the next Sephora sale, I'm going to buy the full size. The best way to describe it is woodsy spices. Seriously, this one I think is a dupe for the Le Labo 23. Oh my god, it smells delicious. I've received a lot of compliments for this, and if you get the rollerball, which eventually I might end up getting as well, it's compact. I can put it in my bag, and if ever I want to reapply my perfume, I'm good to go. So I think this one is amazing. I might end up buying the rollerball before the Sephora sale because I think it's coming up in the fall, maybe in like September or October, and I don't know if I can wait that long, so we'll see. So the next one I have is skincare, and I feel like, for the month of July, you're spending a lot of time outside, you need your sunscreen. So I love this one from Supergoop just because, one, it protects your skin, it has SPF 40. Also, don't skip on SPF on the lips. I will link other products that I like for the lips if you're interested. The only thing is with this, I only wear it whenever I have foundation on or some type of tinted moisturizer or some type of coverage, because your skin is going to be so glowy, and it looks a little bit weird if you're not wearing something on top, at least in my experience. So I only wear this under my foundation. I love how my base looks with it along with the other products that I use, and I think this is amazing. So the next item I have is a cleansing balm. This one is from Pharmacy. I've been loving this. I tried the other one, which is a sensitive, but I think this one is a little bit better just because it breaks down my makeup faster, and I really love it for that. A little bit goes a long way with this one, and I love it. This is how much I've used so far, and I purchased this during the last Sephora sale, so it will last a long time, and it all depends on how much makeup you have and how much you really need. But for the most part, I feel like you don't need that much in order to remove the makeup, and I do a full face, trust me, this is amazing. And if you're wearing makeup, you need to remove it. Don't go to bed sleeping with your makeup, okay? The next items are hair products, and I have a set from Pattern, which I purchased from Sephora. I am so happy I got this set because I think it's really important to get brushes or tools in general that work for your hair texture. Depending on what you want to achieve, for example, me, whenever I'm detangling my hair in the shower, I just want something that won't damage my hair. I won't have a lot of hair loss. So there are 3 items in this hair set. The first one is a hair pick, which I think is amazing. It looks good also. You can definitely put that on your table just to display that, and I think it's beautiful. It's very sleek, minimalist, and it's huge. I love it. So you can just go in and then pick your hair just to give it the shape that you're looking for. The next one, which I use pretty much every week just to detangle my hair. So this is the shower brush, and let me tell you, this brush detangles my hair so well in the shower. It just feels like butter. Granted, I am using other products with it, like for example, my conditioner just makes my hair feel so soft, so this makes it easier too, but it detangles everything so well. And I can also use this if ever I want to define my hair, like my curls. I did a wash and go video, so if you're interested, you can check it out. You can see how I use this brush to detangle my hair and then just add a little bit of definition. So I love this brush to detangle my hair in the shower. So the last item in the set is this beautiful comb. They thought about everything. Like, you can just put your thumb in this area, just hold it, and it just makes it easier for you to detangle your hair. I only use this comb whenever my hair is stretched, or if ever I have a blowout or my hair is straightened, just because I find that it detangles my hair pretty well without damaging it. So really like this one as well. The next two items are game changers for me. I have been natural for 12 years, and trust me, I've tried so many shampoos and conditioner, and these are my favorite. That's it. They're my favorite by far. I feel like I can spend the rest of my life using these and I will be happy. So I have the Everyday Shea shampoo with unrefined shea butter, and I also have the Everyday Shea conditioner with unrefined shea butter. So you get a pretty big size. In each bottle you get a total of 32 fluid ounces, so 950 ml, and these are amazing. The reason why I think this is a game changer for me is because my hair feels so soft whenever I'm using the shampoo, okay? Because most of the time whenever you use a shampoo, or in my experience whenever I use a shampoo, I feel like my hair is rigid and it's super tangled. But with this one, it's as crazy as it sounds, I could technically use this and also detangle my hair. That's how soft my hair feels whenever I use these products. So I think they're amazing. I feel like if you have the same hair type as me, trust me, give it a try. Now the next one I have is from NARS Macao, and I can't do this video without adding her product. So this is Blurring Balm Powder in the shade Universal. Like, this is an obsession also. I already reviewed this product, so if you're interested, I will link it for you down below. I will go out, spend a whole day outside, and I want my makeup to last, so this helps. I used to have smile lines. Since I've started using this, no problem. With any foundation I use, I don't have any more smile lines. So I think this is amazing. Now the next one I have is also from NARS Macao, and this one I've been raving about it from the get-go, from the time I purchased this product. This is her power bronzer, and I have it in the shade Deep. So I don't contour anymore, so I typically just use this as a bronzer. But lately, because you know it's summer, it's nice, I'm getting darker, I don't want to buy a new foundation, so I use this under my foundation, and then I go in and add the foundation wherever I need to. I have a video on this, so if you want to see how I do it, I will link it down below for you. I actually did that today and my makeup looks flawless. So I think this is amazing. It comes in 4 shades, I believe, so everyone can find something that works for them. So the next one I have is a beautiful setting powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and she makes one of my favorite setting powders, okay? So this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade Medium 2. So this is what you get. And I hit pan right away with this, which was interesting because I was not expecting it to happen, but nonetheless, this is where I am at. I think I purchased this one a while ago and I've been using it often. I do use my other setting powders, but this one, if I want that look, if I want to look flawless, airbrush, smooth, and just delicious, I will be using this one from Charlotte Tilbury. I like it so much, I'm considering trying the next one up, which is I believe the 3. There's also a number 4. I don't know, we'll see, because think about it. My face looks like this, so I use it on my, basically my under eye, and then also my T-zone. Now, this looks great, but let's say one day I just want to have a full-on airbrush look with no glow, just all matte. I'm thinking of trying either number 3, number 4, just to see what it looks like if I use it for the rest of my face. I don't know, we'll see. I will let you know if I give it a try. But so far, I love this setting powder. It looks great and you should definitely try it. I think it's one of my favorites. So the next one I have is from Freck Beauty. This is their cheek slime. I only use it on my cheeks because I have other lip product that I prefer, but this on the cheeks, oh my gosh, it is beautiful. A little bit goes a long way, which is why I like it, and the pigment is there, okay? I started using this during the winter and I have gotten darker, obviously because of the summer. You know, I'm always out and about, and this still looks beautiful on my skin. It's still showing up and I love it for that. They came out with an orange shade. I'm gonna get that orange shade, so I'll let you know what it looks like. The orange looks a little bit brighter. This one is more of it's leaning towards the terracotta for me, but I feel like the orange looks so bright. I love orange. I'm gonna have to give it a try. So since the pandemic, I've been doing my nails at home. I got a kit that had everything with the lights and all the good stuff. So I've been investing in different, you know, nail polish, like different brands. And so far, I feel like I have the best one because it doesn't damage my nails. And so I ended up getting 2 sets from the brand Beetles. Now I have the white shade and I also have the black. So these are the 2, and I believe these are the largest size that you can purchase from Beetles. And the other set has the top gel and then the base. Also, another reason why I like this brand is because the removal process is so easy, doesn't damage my nail, because in the past, the other gel polish damaged my nails so much that I couldn't put any nail polish. I had to wait for my nails to grow back and be strong and healthy before I went back in with any other product. When it comes to my everyday bag, I've been loving this beautiful bag from Monsieur Gabriel. I use it all the time. When I tell you this is my favorite bag, because it is small and compact, and trust me, you can put a lot in this. I went to a wedding and I wore this bag. Like, you can also remove this if you don't want it, but I like it because I can just put it on my wrist and it never lose anything. And I love that the magnet is super strong, so it keeps everything in there. Now, like I said, this is so versatile. Like, I've worn this to go to a wedding. I wear it if I'm running errands, if I go to a barbecue, go to the pool, wherever. And the leather is super sturdy. Like, I'm not someone who's going to baby my bags, and I'm not saying I trash them. I do take care of my bags, but this doesn't require a lot of care, as in I can put it on any surface and then clean it after if ever I need to, which is what I love about this bag. If the red is too much for you, you know, there's the black and there's also a beige, but to be honest, the red goes with everything. So at least for me, it works with everything because most of what I have are like neutrals, but this 100% worth it. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any recommendations, suggestions, let me know what you think. Also, if you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.